Okay, first one of the day. Lovely young lady just dropped off her daily ridden Triumph Street Scrambler. She's taken advantage of our half-price ceramic protection package. So this will get a trot full Monty Valet, thoroughly clean, degreased. See corrosion setting in on bits and pieces already. We're going to get XCP corrosion protection on all your motor, all up underneath, all your frame, swing arm, all these little bits and pieces will all be properly protected. Get all that old chain lube and gunk off of there. Just get it looking like it should, and then we're going to get it in the workshop. We're going to do a two-stage machine polish on all this bodywork, windscreen, mud guards, tank, and we will prep it and treat it to a nice coating of the Ultimax Signature Pro. When we do these valets, we do check all your running gear, tire pressures, etc. Just notice she's got hardly any air in that front tire. Hopefully it doesn't have a puncture, but we'll get the right PSI in the front and the back. Make sure that chain's properly adjusted, check her oil levels, etc. So let's get cracking, get this thing looking like it should, and get it properly protected for the years ahead. There you go, right at 3 hours on the dot, this Triumph Street Scrambler has been fully trotted and looking freaking sweet. This thing has come up as new. This has had one of our legendary full Monty valets, proper Snowfoam safe wash, decontaminated, degreased. We then blow dried it. Everything's been misted with XCP. This is a daily ridden bike, so all your spoke nipples, all your frames, suspension, shocks, all up underneath the engine, all your rad, all your nuts and bolts, everything has been misted with XCP corrosion protection. Extra XCP brushed on bits and pieces which I know corrode on these. All the discs have been cleaned, all the edge of the discs, calipers, managed to get all that built-on chain lube off. Everything has been absolutely minted. We then got it in the bay there. I did a two-stage machine polish on these side covers, tank, mud guard, took the little grill off. We polished the headlight, polished the windscreen. Two-stage polish on that. We then prepped it and treated it to a nice coating of the Ultimax Signature Quartz. That is a 5-year self-healing ceramic. Look at the gloss on that, absolutely mark-free. These side covers had a few scratches on, they've all been removed. Look at the gloss, absolutely gleaming. This thing is as new. Even polished up the little sticker there, all up underneath the seat, underneath the side covers have all been XCP'd. Absolutely gleaming. Don't forget, we're open 7 days a week. We do a satisfaction guaranteed service. You want to keep your bike looking like this, get it trotted. Give us a buzz, 07966 249 963.